So I'm gonna be honest with you guys, because you know we keep it real on this channel. What's up, guys? Welcome back to my channel. XOXO Sheba here. If you're new to my channel, hello and welcome. And if you're an OG subscriber, what's good? Welcome back. I don't do this often, but I got a T-part wig to show you guys today. It's a cute little 99J curly unit, but you know I had to add my little flair to it. So if you want to see how I got this look, keep on watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, though. You might as well. You're already here. You might as well. Okay, so I'm working with this 99J burgundy colored T-part wig from Incolorwig. I like that the part is a little bit wider than what I'm used to. I did pluck it already, and I'm going to be using Perfect Line Lace Concealer to install. So immediately what stuck out to me was this lace. It's not even HG, and you can barely see it on my forehead right now. Like, this lace really matched up well for me. I don't know if it's going to match up well for everybody. It looks tintable, and well, I do know it's tintable. But for me, like, I didn't even need to tint it. Like, it just looked really good. But anyways, this fit is actually very amazing too. I was very surprised. Like I said, I did pluck this already, just a little bit. I mean, it's a T-part, so it's not going to do much for me anyway. I think it's for my own peace of mind. And then I added the lace concealer into the part. I like doing this for lace part wigs because it gives it that seamless effect as if I did a ball cap without having to do a ball cap. I cut the lace off first because there's kind of no reason to not cut the lace off first when it comes to like lace part wigs like this, because it's not like I'm gonna be fully serving scalp anyway. This is serving beginner friendly. It's serving easy install. It's not necessarily serving scalp, and that's okay. That's not what it's for. It's for being an easy install. It's for being as little lace as possible. These are for the girls that just want to get up and go. These are not for the girls who are trying to like give scalp all the time. Is that your hair? Is it not? It's not for that. It's not what it's for. It does its job. After I went ahead and installed it, I put my elastic band on to melt down the lace. And then while that was drying down, I used my mascara wand to add some dark root in here. This is not eye mascara. I'm actually using my it's like root cover up like you would use for gray hairs. I be using that on my wigs. Y'all seen me use it sometimes. But yeah, I'm using it on the wig to give me some dark root and just make it a little bit more natural. I wasn't feeling that being totally burgundy. I don't know. I'm iffy with that. Maybe if it was like a frontal and I could really make it look like it was coming out the scalp. But I wasn't feeling it just being completely burgundy and not enough, you know, dark root or something in it. So that's why I added that. And then I also, y'all know me. If you watch this channel, you know me. I'm going to add some layers. If I don't do nothing else with the wig, I'm going to add some layers. So that's what I was doing here. Switched it up and actually did the proper technique this time. But also doing what I do and just, you know, freehanding it. I took a hot comb to the top just to kind of flatten it down and push the front forward a little bit to cover up, you know, the lack of edges. And then I did a little touch up on the lace and that was it. Okay guys, so forgive me, I'm adjusting to having new lighting. I got a new ring light recently, so it's just a little bit different than my other ring light. So I'm gonna be honest with you guys, because you know we keep it real on this channel. I'm not a huge fan of T-part wigs. If you've noticed on my channel, I really don't review them that often, and I really don't do lace part wigs either unless it's like the fake frontal effect, like, you know, with the melted hairline or butter lace or something like that. I like my wigs to have edges. I know it's easier this way, but I just prefer edges. But I will say with this one, I actually like this a lot. I actually like this more than I thought I would. I didn't even realize I had booked with Incolorwig for a T-part, so when I put it at the bag, I was like, oh, okay. But this is a very nice T-part wig. I can't complain too much. It doesn't even feel too unnatural. I love how the lace actually blends really well with my skin without much to it at all. If you're a beginner to wigs, this is a really good one for you because it gives you the same ease as you would with like a lace part synthetic wig, but it gives you all the human hair, so it'll last you longer and it'll look more real. I absolutely love using the Perfect Line Lace Concealer with my T-part wigs. I did it for the first time with another wig on my channel. It was a bob. I'll link that below in the description if you want to see that. But it makes it so you don't have to always do a ball cap, but you can get that ball cap looking seamless part. Another thing I was nervous about, you guys, was the color. I don't know. I've done a red wig before, but I don't know if I've ever done a whole like 99J burgundy before. I was gonna just, you know, just go for it and see what it looked like, but this was one for me. I don't always feel like I need a dark root, but this one I felt like needed a dark root. The hair is actually very manageable, even with this being, you know, like a bigger, curlier texture. It really doesn't like tangle up and snag on me. You're gonna get a little bit, obviously, because it still is what it is, but it's not that bad. Not at all. All in all, this is a winner. Very easy, very beginner friendly. I would recommend it if you like T-part wigs. Thank you guys so much for watching. As always, shout out to Incolorwig for sending this color to me. Thank you guys so much for watching. As always, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.